हेलो एंड वेलकम। आपके लिए एक बहुत बड़ी न्यूज है। गूगल ने अनाउंस किया है कि 2023 में आप YouTube शॉर्ट्स को भी मोनेटाइज कर पाओगे, यानी कि YouTube शॉर्ट्स बनाने पे भी गूगल आपको पैसा देगा। 2023 is going to be the crazy year for short form videos like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts। दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ शॉर्ट फॉर्म वीडियो बनाने की पूरी प्रोसेस। कैसे आप YouTube Shorts और Instagram Reels को बड़ी आसानी से बना सकते हो, वो भी सिर्फ आपका स्मार्टफोन एंड Canva, द फ्री वीडियो एडिटिंग टूल को यूज करके। वो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ। ये वीडियो को पूरे एंड तक जरूर देखिएगा। डोंट मिस दिस वीडियो बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अमेजिंग टिप्स कमिंग अप फॉर यू इन दिस वीडियो। ऐसे ही अमेजिंग वीडियोस एवरी सिंगल वीक हम आपके लिए बनाते हैं। तो अभी तक आपने हमारी इस चैनल सोशल सुपरफ्लाई को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, जल्दी से कर लीजिए। इट्स कंप्लीटली free. My name is Gokul from Social Superfly and I'm here to help you create a business and life that you love and want. So with that said, let's get started. दोस्तों, आप जो भी वीडियो बना रहे हो, वो चाहे लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियो है या शॉर्ट फॉर्म वीडियो, एक वीडियो के लिए सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्या होता है? गेस कीजिए। चलो, आई गिव यू 3 seconds एंड अगर आपने गेस किया है लाइट्स एंड साउंड, then your guess is 100% right। दोस्तों, इंपॉर्टेंट ये नहीं कि आप कौन सा कैमरा इस्तेमाल करते हो, इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि आप किस तरीके से वीडियो शूट करते हो। तो दोस्तों, जब कैमरा की बात है, then camera that you have is the best camera in the world। And now let's address the elephant in the room, which is जब आप एक स्मार्टफोन के साथ वीडियो बनाते हो तो कौन से एप्स पे आप शूट करोगे? And the answer is, if you want to use some free app on Android, then you can use some apps like Open Camera. And if you want to use some very professional app on iPhone or Android, then you can use the app Filmic Pro. But Android smartphone पे जो Open Camera app available है, which is more than enough to start creating amazing YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Now let's talk about the lighting. दोस्तों, lighting is the most important part of the video. So number 1, you can use some natural window lighting or you can use some ring lights just like this. And once you're good with the lighting in your video, what you need is a good audio. And audio के लिए जो सबसे beginner friendly mic है, बड़े बड़े YouTubers को मैंने ये mic से वीडियो बनाते हुए देखा है, and this mic is Boya BY-M1. And दोस्तों, अगर आपको और थोड़ा professional sound चाहिए, then you can use Rode Smart Lav. And the last thing that you need is some tripod for your smartphone. Now you do not need to invest in a huge tripod. Maybe you can just get some gorilla tripod like this. So your video looks very steady and professional. All you need is this and then you are ready to get started. So अभी मैं आपको live दिखाने वाला हूँ कि कैसे we can use a smartphone to shoot video. I'll see you back in a minute. Hello and welcome back. So अभी मैं आपको live दिखाने वाला हूँ कि कैसे हम एक वीडियो शूट करते हैं। So now it's time to say light, camera and action. Hello and welcome to 1 Minute Masterclass with Social Superfly. And today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels just in a minute. कैसे आपके स्मार्टफोन के साथ आप amazing YouTube Shorts या Instagram Reels बना सकते हो। चलिए देखते हैं। So it is this simple. हम यही वीडियो को अपलोड करने वाले हैं Canva ऐप पे. And now I'm going to show you the entire editing process. So I'll see you back in a minute. So आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं Canva का जो फ्री वर्जन है, उसको लेके हम कैसे amazing Instagram Reels या YouTube Shorts बनाने वाले हैं. So once we have successfully signed up for Canva, the first step is हम वीडियो पे क्लिक करेंगे. Now there are so many cool things that you can do with Canva, like you can create presentations, you can create social media posts, you can basically create any kind of design that you want. But आज के इस वीडियो में हम फोकस करने वाले हैं how to create video. So we'll click on video. अब यहाँ पे आप देखो कि बहुत सारे अलग अलग फॉर्मेट्स हैं। जैसे कि आपको एक लॉन्ग फॉर्म YouTube वीडियो बनाना है तो you can choose video, which is 1920 by 1080 pixel. But right now we are focusing on the vertical mobile video, which is for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts or TikTok, जो कि अभी इंडिया में बैंड हो चुका है। So we are going to click on mobile video. And there you go. These are blank canvas जहाँ पे हम वीडियो ऐड करेंगे. This is your timeline. यहाँ टॉप पे कुछ कंट्रोल्स आपको दिए गए हैं जो कि वीडियो एडिटिंग के लिए हैं. So let's look at this left side panel. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे creative options हैं. जैसे कि design. Under design you're going to find so many different templates. ये सारे pre-made video templates हैं. You can pick up, you can edit this template the way you want. And जहाँ पे आप ये crown देख रहे हो ना, this is a pro. यहाँ पे लिखा है pro. This is a small crown. So ये काफी creative templates है, but to use this template you need to have the Canva paid version. So आज के इस video editing master class में हम Canva का 100% free version use करने वाले हैं. We won't be using these templates. But you can browse, you can just play around, and if you can like, you definitely can have something in your video. For now, we will press Ctrl Z. And we have the blank canvas. Alright, so if you look at the elements, you have a lot of lines and shapes, graphics, animated stickers, photos, videos. So जहाँ पे भी आपके पास वो crown नहीं है, so you can absolutely use it for free. You can put it in your videos. The next option is upload. So अभी हमने जो वीडियो मोबाइल से शूट किया है, वही वीडियो को हम Canva में अपलोड करने वाले हैं. So you can click on upload files. You can choose the file from your PC. And there you go. You'll see this nice floating animation, which means your video is being uploaded to Canva library. Meanwhile, let's quickly look at some other options. These are text. यहाँ से आप कुछ amazing text effects, animations create कर सकते हो. We can put it on a video for subtitles and then projects. So यहाँ पे आपको आपके सारे projects देखने को मिलेंगे. And there is your apps which is like much beyond design. So Canva is amazing tool. So let's come back to upload. I think हमारा जो video है वो upload हो चुका है. And to get this video on our editing canvas, we just need to click on this video. And there we go. We have our video on our editing canvas. So first thing I want you to do is right click and click on set video as a background. So the Canva will set your video to the frame size. Now this is your timeline. So चलिए एक बार quickly एक पूरा video देखते हैं. Hello and welcome to 1 minute masterclass with Social Superfly, and today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels just in a minute. कैसे आपके स्मार्टफोन के साथ आप amazing YouTube Shorts या Instagram Reels बना सकते हो. चलिए देखते हैं. Alright, cool. So सबसे पहले the step 1 is to do the color correction. जब आप वीडियो को मोबाइल से शूट करके कैनवा में लाओगे तो उसको थोड़ा हम कलर करेक्ट करेंगे. So you can click on this video and click edit video. यहाँ पे you will see lot of filters. You can click on see all and यहाँ पे बहुत सारे filters आपको देखने मिलेंगे. But more than filters, I like to use the option adjust. ये recently Canva पे launch हुआ है, so it's a beta feature. So यहाँ पे हम आके थोड़ी brightness adjust कर सकते हैं. You can give some contrast to a video. If you want, you can change the color tone of the video. You can make your video look like in whatever color you want. I won't be using this, so I'll just press Ctrl Z. You can also adjust some highlights and shadows in your video if you want, and here you can adjust your saturation. So first step is pretty simple. You can play around all these options like brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, and try to achieve something which looks good on the screen. Let me show you some other options. So here is like playback, so you can increase the playback speed of your video. For example, you can, if you're creating some funny sequence, you can maybe increase your playback speed and now see how it looks like. कैसे आपके स्मार्टफोन के साथ आप amazing YouTube Shorts या Instagram Reels बना सकते हो. चलिए देखते हैं. We'll stick to the normal video speed. So first step was to color correct our video, and I think the first step looks pretty decent and we are fine with that. Let's move to the step 2, which is to edit the storyline. अभी for example जब आप वीडियो शूट करोगे तो आप काफी सारे आपके रीटेक्स भी होंगे. उसको हम कैसे कट करेंगे, ट्रिम करेंगे, and कैसे we will have the perfect storyline. So Instagram Reels should be as concise as we can, right? एक भी extra word हमें नहीं चाहिए because हमारे पास सिर्फ 1 मिनट है. So for example, if I see this video, at the end of this video, I am saying चलिए देखते हैं. So I don't want चलिए देखते हैं. That 2 or 3 seconds also matter because my storyline is more important than any unnecessary content. So I'm going to cut it down. Now, how do we do that? So there are 2 ways to do it. Now, number 1 way is to stop the video exactly at the point we want to cut. ये वीडियो को हम वही पॉइंट पे स्टॉप करेंगे जहां से हमें ये वीडियो को कट करना है. So number 1 way to do is simply you can drag the video on a timeline. There we go. So it looks perfect. Now secondly, if you see, I have a little pause. कैसे आपके स्मार्टफोन के साथ आप amazing YouTube Shorts या. So if you observe it carefully, amazing and YouTube Shorts. ये दो शब्द के बीच में थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे मैं पॉज ले रहा हूँ. So we are going to trim it down. How do we do that? Let me show you the second way. So we'll get this marker exactly at the point where we want to cut the video. So now to cut this video, you can just right click and click on split page, or you can press S button on your keyboard. This is your timeline and this is how you edit your story. Alright, so the timeline of the video looks really good, and now the next step is how to add B-roll. B-roll is like another video over your original video, and it really helps to capture the audience attention. And let's see how to add a B-roll using Canva. So B-roll is a footage that supplement your main video clips. It can help you establish a scene, and I have already selected a scene that I want as a B-roll in this video. So हम ये फाइल को upload करेंगे Canva पे. So now again we see some nice floating animation, which means our B-roll video is being uploaded. Meanwhile, let's try to see ये B-roll हमें कहाँ पे add करना है. And today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts. Perfect. So when I say how to make YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, we want to have the B-roll, right? चलिए देखते हैं how we can do it using Canva. So first of all, we'll slice that clip down. So we'll slice this clip, and ये clip के ऊपर हमें और एक video चाहिए. So we are going to simply select the video that we want as a B-roll. So this is a video that we want to have as a B-roll. अभी यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही interesting trick है. So if you simply increase the size, then what will happen? Let me show you. Damn, you will lose the audio. So जब वीडियो की साइज को आप पूरी फ्रेम में सेट करोगे, then Canva is going to set that video as a main video, and that we don't want. We want to add this video as a B-roll. So let me show you the secret tip. How do we do that? We'll simply press Ctrl Z. We'll again have that video just where it was. We'll click on our main video and click on detach video from background. We'll just reduce the size. And now what we're going to do is, now we are going to increase the size of this video. We'll come to our main video, which is 2.6 second. We'll come to this video, and यहाँ पे यही video की जो size है वो हम 2.6 seconds select करेंगे. You can just choose which part of the video you want. You can select. I think this is fine. We'll click on done, and now we will select our original video and reduce the transparency to 0. Now let's try to play the video. Today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube. Perfect, congratulations. So now you know the #1 secret of how to add B-roll on your video using Canva. And now next step is all about adding transition between the scenes, so we can stitch the scene in a perfect way. So to make the video look professional, हम दो scenes के बीच में we add the transition. So how to add transition using Canva? It's pretty simple. So let's say यहाँ पे we have these two scenes, right? We have these two scenes and we want to add transition from this scene to this scene. So you have this plus icon and click on this transition icon, and now you see the different transition. So there are a lot of transitions like dissolve, slide, circle wipe, color wipe, right? So आपके पास बहुत सारे creative transitions options हैं. For now, we are simply going to use the first transition, dissolve, which is my all-time favorite. And this is exactly how you add transition between the scenes. Now let's go to the next step, which is to add title and text on the video. So now we are going to add subtitle on this video. Simply we'll go to text, we'll click on add a heading, and maybe I can put this text somewhere here. So let's see what is the first line which I'm saying. Hello and welcome to 1 minute masterclass. Now we can go to size and we can reduce the size of this subtitle. I think this size looks pretty good. I'll go to elements. I'll click on this square. I'll choose some sort of yellow. Yellow is my favorite color. I'm going to choose some type of yellow, which is like good and bright, and we'll put that on the text. We can adjust the text a little bit. Now this looks pretty good. What you can do is you can reduce the transparency a little bit so it looks more lively on the video, and this looks perfect. And I'm going to add some animation to this. So for example, so I'll simply add the fade effect. अभी हम हमारे video clips को scene by scene split करेंगे so we can add text animation on each one of it. Let's split it. So we can copy this text, add it on any scenes that you want, and we can just skip adding the subtitles. And now the final step, I'm going to show you how to export your video to upload on Instagram or YouTube. So it's very simple. So you can click on share button, you can click on download. Here you need to choose MP4 video. The file type should be MP4 video. It should be all pages and simply click on download button. And there you go. Congratulations. Your first YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reel video is already made. I hope today's video was really helpful for you. अगर आपके पास भी कोई amazing Canva tip है, तो नीचे comment section में सबके साथ share कीजिए. अगर आप कोई नए topics पे वीडियो देखना चाहते हो तो वो क्या है? Comment section में जाइए, मुझे बताइए. ऐसे ही amazing video हम every week आपके लिए बनाते हैं. If you found this video helpful, ये वीडियो को like करें, subscribe to Social Superfly, and until I see you again with some amazing video just like this, keep creating amazing videos. Take very good care of yourself. This is Social Superfly for now, bidding goodbye.